Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and watch your profits soar. Whether you are clearing out your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So the first step that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into facebook.com. This is the home page. As you can see, you can just get started and you sign up by writing your email address and your password. Also, you can upload the application which called Facebook. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we will delve into the ultimate tips for creating a catching listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach, from choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics. We'll cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for explosive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So you have just to click over here and then you scroll down and you will find marketplace, then you click over it and you will find this page. So this page is just for if you want to buy something, also if you want to sell something. You have here browse all notifications, and we have also inbox, buying, selling, we have creating your listing, then we have location here, about niches. Also you can just select, for example I will select clothing and I will select which clothing I want, for example shoes. Then I will click over the minimum price, max price, and also we have condition here if is it new or used like new. Then we have also here the brand if is it Adidas, and also I will click over Nike and other things as you can see. So to get started, we have just to click over create new listings. You choose listing type. For example, we have an item for sale. Create a single listing for one or more items to sell. Then we have a vehicle for sale. Sell a car, van, or other type of vehicle. Then we have property for sale or rent. List a house or flat for sale or rent. I will click over the first one. Then this is the home page. As you can see, we have your listing preview. As you create your listing, you can preview how it will appeal to others on marketplace. So the first thing that you have to do is add a photo first. So for example I will choose this one, then I will click over open. Once you do that, you'll just scroll down and you'll find here required to be as descriptive as possible. So as you can see, this is my product that I chose. Then we have here write your title, for example basketball shoes. Then we have price $50. Then we have category. Also we'll choose if it is objects and collectibles, arts and crafts, vehicle parts and accessories, baby products, packs and luggage. We have books, film and music, mobile phones and accessories, clothing, shoes and accessories, and other things. So I will click over this one. We have here baby clothing and shoes, children's clothing and shoes, men's accessories, men's clothing, men's shoes. I will click over this one. Then we have here men's boots, men's sandals, slippers, athletic shoes. So I'll click over this one. Then we have here condition. So I will select if it is new or used, like new, used and good, used and fair. I will click over the first one. Then we have here more details. I attract more interest by including more details. So I will select firstly men's shoe size, example 6 here. Then you have brand, then activity. Also of course we have aerobic, athleisure. Then we have here basketball also. Then the color black and red. Then we have description also here, new baskets or shoes Kyrie. It's like just the type of basketball shoes, Kyrie Irving Infinity. Then We have availability here, list as single item or list as a stock. Then we have product tags, is key or so. Then we have location here, and also we have meetup preferences. Buyers will be able to see your preferences on your listing. Then we have public meetup, you can just click over it if you want, draw pick up, drop off, and we have also a post listing. After it's being published, add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into and add. Then you have hide from friends. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. Then we have the last thing, marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed on Marketplace. See our commerce policies. Then you click over next and you start publishing your product. So, say on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces, with tools to create apply listings and options for sharing within local groups. Sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So, selling on Facebook Marketplace presents a unique opportunity to reach a broad audience while ensuring a straightforward and cost-effective selling experience while leveraging its features and engaging with local buyers. You can turn unwanted items into cash and potentially grow a driven side businesses. Embrace the platform's potential and watch your sales flourish. So this is how it works with Facebook and how you can get started and buy and sell your products. Sorry. So if you want to buy also, you have just to select the niche you want, then you get started. You have also other settings here. You can just click over it to more understand about how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. So this is how it works with Facebook. You can just get started as soon as possible. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.